Have you heard? I'm looking for an apartment.
Really? That's exciting. What kind of apartment are you looking for?
Well, I'm hoping to find a one-bedroom apartment in a safe and convenient location. I need it to be close to public transportation and have some amenities like a gym or laundry facilities.
That sounds reasonable. Have you started your search yet?
Yes, I've been browsing online listings and checking out a few real estate websites. There are so many options, it's overwhelming.
I can imagine. It's important to have a clear idea of your budget and priorities. Have you set a budget for rent?
Yes, I have a rough idea of what I can afford. I'm also considering the cost of utilities and other expenses like parking.
Good thinking. It's essential to factor in all the costs to make sure it fits within your budget. Have you considered any specific neighborhoods?
I have a few neighborhoods in mind, but I'm also open to suggestions. Safety and proximity to amenities are my top concerns.
It's great that you're open to suggestions. Sometimes you might find hidden gems in unexpected places. Have you thought about reaching out to a real estate agent?
I haven't considered that yet. Do you think it's necessary?
Well, a real estate agent can help simplify the process for you. They have access to a larger inventory of apartments and can negotiate on your behalf. It might be worth exploring.
That's a good point. I'll look into it. How about you? Have you ever gone through the process of looking for an apartment?
Yes, a couple of times actually. It can be time-consuming, but it's exciting too. I learned a lot from my experiences, and I'm happy to share any advice or tips with you.
That would be great. I could use all the help I can get.
Sure, I'll be happy to help. One thing I learned is to be proactive and act quickly when you find an apartment you like. Good apartments tend to get rented out fast.
Noted. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Just remember to stay patient and don't settle for something that doesn't meet your criteria. The perfect apartment is out there waiting for you.
I appreciate the encouragement. I'll keep searching until I find the right place. Thanks again for your help.
No problem at all. Good luck with your apartment hunt. I hope you find your dream home soon.